valley. So you can see the river beneath us here. That river that's 1,000 feet below us used to be 1,000 feet above us. But over time, hundreds of thousands of years, it's carved its way down. Pretty nice views here. If anybody likes to hike, there's a pretty cool trail there right up the ridgeline. You can see some people at the top. There's a picnic table right there, and you can hike up for a pretty nice view. Jessica, Stefano, did you guys drive this road? Is that what you're saying with your sign language?
Yes, yesterday.
Ah, beautiful drive.
Beautiful, very beautiful.
Bellissimo.
Esatto.
There's blowhole is right here. Not very big today, but did you stop there? Did you go visit? This is kind of a popular thing to see, but today pretty small. Alright, we're going to shoot just across the water here now and make our way out towards the beautiful east end of Molokai.
There is a dolphin.
Dolphin? Are there dolphins? Yeah, but we don't see them very often. We might today, maybe. I think you're gonna have to sing a song, make the dolphins come. You know the dolphin song?
I don't know.
It's in Italian.
In Italian?
It's a song to call the dolphins to the surface. Basically, I think you could sing any song. He's the opera singer. You sing the opera, like Pavarotti. So we sometimes see dolphins. In the winter, we see whales. This time of year, no. But in winter, December, January, February, March, good time to see whales. Manta ray, sometimes we see manta ray. Pretty rare, but we do sometimes see sharks. In fact, this rock just in front of us, called Elephant Rock, underneath there's hammerhead sharks, and you can go scuba dive with them. Another place to see sharks would be Molokini Island. Has anybody heard of Molokini? You have to take a boat there from Wailea side, Kihei, kind of over on that side. Atika, do you want to swim with sharks? You want to go swimming with the sharks? She wants to go. You want to go? Now, if you want to swim with sharks, actually the most popular place is Oahu. And Oahu has everything. You can go, you can see all sorts of stuff up there. We're the shark world. Has anybody been to Oahu? Is it Cindy or Cyndia? You guys, you gotta use your microphones because I can't read your minds. Everybody.
I go by Cindy.
Cindy! Is it spelled Cyndia?
Yes.
Okay, I thought maybe we gave you an A for free.
No, my mom made that up.
An A for effort. And have you been out to Maui before?
No, this is my first time.
What do you think? You love it?
I love it.
Alright. So this is Molokai. We're just about to fly over a very large coral reef. The coral reef goes 34 miles to our left.